Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I'm going to review Voxpopme, and it's a tool that will automatically capture and analyze customer feedback with video surveys. Now, I hope you're very familiar with video surveying tool. It's a very easy concept. You have to send your customers one landing page, and by using the landing page people can send you the video review or video survey, right? But this tool is not only about this video survey. It will analyze the customer feedback. That means, let's say on one campaign you have gotten 50 video reviews or 100 video reviews, and to understand what your customers are thinking about your service or product, you have to watch every single video and you have to analyze everything by your own manually, right? But if you get this Voxpopme tool, then it will analyze everything automatically. I hope you get some basic idea. I will explain these things in detail after some time. But if you see, they're saying that Voxpopme uses video surveys to capture real customer feedback and automatically organizes responses in searchable library. And if you see the lifetime deal pricing of this Voxpopme, they are offering up to license tier 2, and the license tier 1 pricing is 69 USD, license tier 2 pricing is 169 USD. So if you want to get this all feature, then you have to get this license tier 2, and it's ideal, I think. So if you want to use it professionally, I'll recommend you to get this license tier 2 at least, and you can get at least 10% discount on this pricing. Now, without further ado, let's go to the dashboard of Voxpopme and let's explore how things work there and how it can be helpful for you. This is the dashboard of Voxpopme, guys. Here have create new project option and import video option. To create a new project, you have to just click here on this create new project, and then you can design your landing page, and then you can send this landing page to your customer. But I do not want to show you these things because this concept is very easy. Also, if you already have gotten your customer reviews, then you can import your videos from here. But I want to show you the result. That means after getting the video reviews from your customer, how this Voxpopme will analyze everything automatically. See, there have one um, project that is sustainable product and packaging. So if I enter to this project that has been completed, see, here you will see a lot of response that I has gotten. Just let it be load. See, this is one response. Let me play it.
When a product is sustainable or environmentally friendly, usually that means it is durable and sturdy and it will withstand whatever, but it's also not going to hurt the environment in any way. When it is done used or like plastic bottles that are environmentally friendly, they'll dissolve over time.
So you need a lot of time, right, to watch every
When a
video
product
and
is
to
sustainable,
analyze every single review. You need a lot of time. And if you use this Voxpopme, see, it will uh, say you that this review is positive. See, this person's review is positive. But if I go to this person's
What it
review,
means to me
it's negative.
for
And if I go to this third person's review, then it's neutral. See, here it's neutral. Let me play
What
it.
does it mean when a product is sustainable or environmentally friendly?
Sustainable products and packaging. What does it mean to you when product is sustainable or environmentally friendly?
So I hope you get
so
idea,
still
guys. You do not have to play these things every single time. You can get idea who is review is positive, who is review is negative, who is review is neutral. Also, they have unique theme based on your video response. See, sustainable. This sustainable response I have gotten 23 times, and people mention in 39 times. See, negative 10%, neutral 8%, and positive 82%. These are the things, guys. If I just select it, then I will see all the videos who have these statistics. Then if I select this product purchase option, then I will see all the videos who have this option. Let me play one.
how important is it to you when considering product purchasing?
See here, I hope you can see it. She has saying that product purchase word, right? So this Vox Pop Me tool will analyze your customers' feedback automatically, and then it will say you that who is persons is positive about your product, who is person is negative about your product or about your service. And you will see more detail here. See, they have word cloud, that means who is words people are using, how much time. See, people are using this product term in much time than this people term. So you will also get the word cloud of your customer reviews. Also they have sentiment analysis feature. See, 20 sorry 6% people are negative about my service, and 7% people are positive about my service, and 8% people, not this one actually, they have 20.30%, or I'm not sure guys, but here you will get the sentiment analysis feature. But I cannot read this percentage, I'm not sure what it is. Maybe this is 41.7%, that means 30 people is 41.7%, yes. And neutral is 20 people, which is 27.8%, and negative is 22 people, which is 30.6%. Also they have additional data, male female things you can see, and they have age histogram also. See, you can see for all different ages people who have been reviewed your service or your product. These are the things guys, I hope you get idea. And you can also filter these things. See, you can get a specific age ranged videos. Let's say you do not want to get all videos, you want to get videos from the people who are from age 16 to age 29, so you can filter these things from here. Let's say you do not want to get reviews from male, you want to get reviews only from female, so you can just tick this female button, then you will get all the female reviews. I hope you get idea guys about this feature. And if you filter these things, then this word cloud, this sentiment analysis, this additional information, these things will change also. Let me select here female only, then see, this word cloud will be changed, I hope. Let me change it. See, the word cloud and all the data has been changed. These are the things, I hope you get idea. After that they have responses. Now if I go to this response section, here you will be able to see all the response individually. Also there have the things, that means this person is saying these things here. See, let me play it.
Products are environmentally and social friendly, um, all the way from being produced and all the way to when they are disposed of. So they're good for the environment all the way from the start of the process of being made to the end when they are done being used and no longer needed.
So the thing is, you will also get the transcription of the video, so you do not have to watch it, you can read what he want to say from here. You can see his age, his gender, his location, name, and what question you have asked him, number of question he answered, his estate, and this estate abbreviation, this target market. You can see from here, you can customize these things from here. They have edit button, you can edit these things from here guys if you want. I hope you get idea. And then see, you can add more tag here if you want. Then you can organize your customers feedback by using this text. I hope you get idea guys. And see, here I have all the response that I have gotten here have. And for every individual you will get this type of data. Let me play another one. Let's say I will play this one.
So if a product is supposed to be sustainable or environmentally friendly, so first I kind of think of the way that the product is sourced. And so what
So these are the things guys, I hope you get idea. I'm not increasing the video length more, but these are the things. And you can filter all the things from this left hand side from here. I hope you get idea. After that they have theme explorer. Let me show you here. And here you can see the theme of your reviewer. See, people are saying here these things: sustainable, recycled, product purchases, environmentally friendly products, sustainable products, reused. These things people are mentioning over and over here. And you can see who is themes or who is words people are using on their reviews, how much time or how many time from here. And see, they have sentiment analysis individually. See, and these are the sentiment analysis and all things you will get here on this inside section in summarized way basically. And then they have data chart, and then they have word cloud that you also have seen. See, and this is the word cloud. And then they have map. Let me go to the map. And here you can see from which locations people have given you the review basically. And then they have project detail. Here basically you can see about your project detail. And see, here is the project link. Let me open the project link. So it's saying that sorry, we have enough videos, thank you for trying. Okay, so as I have enough video, that's why I cannot visit it right now, but here you can see the project details basically. I hope you get idea guys about this project feature. And see, I have created two project, and one project is completed and another one is pending. But the concept is this Voxpopme will help you to analyze the customers feedback. In general, the video survey tool, what they do, they just collect the video reviews from your customer. But this Voxpopme will collect the video review. Also, they will analyze the sentiment of the review. They will analyze whether it is positive review or negative review. They will give you full transcription of the review so that you do not need to watch the video every single time. They will give you complete buyer persona also. I hope you get idea guys about this Voxpopme tool. If you think guys you need this type of tool for your business or for your personal growth, then you can get this Voxpopme lifetime deal from AppSumo. You can get at least 10% discount on this pricing. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on Voxpopme lifetime deal. And it's an affiliate link guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I will get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think guys this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also, join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.